This is the Robin Ross Recap.
Daar is 'n Suid-Afrikaanse duo wat die wêreld aan die gons het. En jy sal nie verstaan of weet hoekom nie, as jy nie regtig op sosiale media is nie. Ons het onlangs nou net weer die video op ons Instagram platform gedeel. Jaco, Zayn, welkom by The Drive with Robin Ross.
Dankie.
There was an epic battle in the traffic the other day. Two gentlemen were filmed in the middle of a traffic jam having a game of rock, paper, scissors between their cars. Manne, welkom by die show vandag. Ons wil almal weet, hoe het hierdie oorlog uitgebreek?
Ons was verveeld geweest. Yes.
Do you guys know each other?
Yes. Ja.
You do, because I was like, this is a lifelong friendship that's now just begun over an in-traffic game of rock, paper, scissors. Who started it? And how did the person that didn't start it know to pick up and go to the next one?
Zayn started and he called me and told me, let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Waar het julle vasgesit?
Op die N17.
Oh no, that N17, I've been watching it for like weeks now. Dis dik verkeer daai kant hoor.
Dit is rarig erg. En bly julle daai kant of werk julle daai kant, is dit die roete wat julle elke dag in vassit en nou was julle net toevallig agter mekaar in die verkeer?
Nee, ons werk in dieselfde kompleks, ja.
Okay.
I've never had a car buddy in terms of like someone that I know who's my mate who drives the same route as I do every day, because then you might see them in the traffic. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
I'd also be causing nonsense out the window if I saw my chum in the car next to me.
Exactly. En hoe het wie julle afgeneem? Iemand anders wat saam met julle werk?
Nee, dis iemand wat ook in traffic gesit het.
So somebody's randomly spying these two bras having rock, paper, scissors out the window. Manne, wie het gewen?
Ek het.
Very nice, because ek het hierdie story originally gesien. It had been picked up by international news. It had been reported in I think it was the United States. I saw
on
some
ABC.
Local channel was carrying in South Africa. Look at what's going on in that crazy country.
Yes. Terrible things happening in South Africa. Julle het baie mense se week gemaak. I think it's just such a wholesome thing and you really have made people smile.
Ja. Ons gaan vir julle al twee Drive met Robin Ross hamper stuur just because jy ook so lekker. All right.
Okay, bye, dankie.
Yes. Thanks manne, lekker middag. Cheers. Jaco and Zayn just having a little jol in the car, man.
I love that. So I did mention the videos up on our social media platforms. Go and check it out. The game Epic Battle of Rock, Paper, Scissors in the traffic on the N17.
Also what this means now, starting today, for the rest of your life, if somebody in the car next to you shakes their fist at you, give them either a paper or a scissors. And then we can have a game in the traffic instead of getting angry at one another.
Exactly.
What do you think?
I love this.
Follow the Jaco and Zayn example. Look over at the car next to you if you want right now. See if you can spark up a little game. If you can, let us know. If you get in a fight, we are not responsible.